Let me introduce you to our second congruence theorem for triangles. This one is called the side-side-side congruence theorem. This tells us that if I have three pairs of congruent sides for these two triangles, I know that those two triangles are congruent. So we can see we have one pair here, a second pair there, and a third pair on this side. If I have that information, that's enough for me to know that these two are congruent without knowing anything about any of the angles. So let's take a look at a couple of examples and we'll decide, do we have enough information to tell if the two triangles are congruent? So we're trying to look at triangle ABE, that would be ABE, this triangle on the left, and CBD. CBD is this triangle on the right. Let's take a look at the sides. I know I have one pair congruent here, a second pair congruent there, and a third pair congruent here. So we have three pairs of congruent sides. That's enough information to tell that these two triangles are congruent. So yes, we do have enough information. On this one, we're looking at two triangles, PQS and RQS. PQS is the one on the left, and RQS is the one on the right. And we only have one pair of sides. So just like with previous sections, we're going to see if we can get some more information. I know that these two triangles share this side. So that middle side is congruent. That's our second pair. Let's take a look at these two sides right here. And I see a lot of students that are kind of thrown off by this picture because it looks like this side might be congruent to that side and we would get our third pair. However, we cannot conclude that. It's possible that we have a picture that looks like this, where this side is congruent to that side, and this middle line, instead of coming straight down and cutting this in half, goes off to the side, in which case we'd have a little skinny triangle on one side and a bigger, wider triangle over on the other side. So this is not enough information because I do not know that these two sides are congruent to each other. Thank you.